Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some good old Jamaican Tun Cornmeal. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
These are the ingredients that I will be using. I will also link everything in the description box. So first we're gonna get that peas boiled up with that coconut milk. I'm gonna put it in the pot and let it boil up for about I'd say roughly about 6 to 7 minutes. Once that's boiled up, I'm just gonna go ahead now and add in all my other ingredients. I'm also gonna add about a cup of water. Once I've done this, I'm gonna cover it and just let this cook for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna start adding in my cornmeal slowly. What you want to do is slowly add the cornmeal in while stirring, and this is to avoid it getting lumpy. As you can see, I've got a little bit of lump in there, but I'm not really worried about that at the moment because I can either take them out or I can, I do normally press it against the side of the pot and kind of press them out. But you really want to do this without getting any lumps involved. Now the trick to doing this is pour it slowly and keep turning. Just keep mixing it. Just keep mixing it. Make sure you hold on to that pot handle because that pot will be turning around on your cooker like nobody's business. Now if you want to take your scotch bonnet out, take it out. If you want to leave it in, leave it in. But hey, I don't want that to burst on me, so let me just take that right on out of there. Now ideally you want to try and get this, keep turning this for, I'd say at least every 4 minutes. Now this is to avoid it clumping up and for it to be smooth. Now cover it, and after about 5 minutes do the same thing. And also you will notice that it's sticking at the bottom. Try and turn it so it's not sticking at the bottom, because yes, a Tun Cornmeal, but we don't want the thing to burn up, you see me? Now depending how you like your cornmeal, but after I've cooked this, I cooked this for about 40 minutes. Now depending how you like it. If some people like it quite loose, then you know, you can leave it for about 40 minutes and switch it off. Now if you want it a little bit firmer than this, you know, keep turning it for, I'd say, about 50 minutes, and that will give it a much firmer texture. Now there you have it, guys, my Jamaican Tun Cornmeal ready. Now I serve this up with some roasted sea bream and some veg. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Show's Homestyle Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Always remember to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Bye.